Hello everyone and welcome to another Think Crypto video. In this video I'll show you how to use Coinbase. Coinbase is a great exchange for new crypto investors because of their easy to use interface. So let's get started. So one of the great things about Coinbase is how easy it is to navigate the interface. Right up here, you will see two of the most important buttons, the buy sell button and the send receive button. It does exactly what it says, where the buy sell button allows you to buy and sell, as well as convert cryptocurrencies from one to another. So in the buy tab, you'll be able to buy whatever cryptocurrency you want, and then you'll be able to pay with either a bank account, Google Pay, PayPal, or a wire transfer, whatever you choose. And sell, same exact thing. You can sell whatever cryptocurrency you want and you can add it to cash. So convert, you can convert from a certain cryptocurrency, so you can choose from the list of assets on Coinbase to whatever other cryptocurrency you'd like to convert it to. So the send and receive button will allow you to send and receive cryptocurrencies just as it says. So if you want to send a cryptocurrency to another address, another Coinbase Pro address, or another centralized exchange, maybe a MetaMask account, you can do that. You would put in the amount that you want to send, what you want to send under pay with, and then that's where you would put in the address you're trying to send it to. Receive, same thing. When you're receiving cryptocurrency, you would copy this address and you would put it in to whatever centralized exchange or wallet you're using to send cryptocurrencies. Okay, so now let's go over what would be in the assets tab. The assets here, under assets, you will see your portfolio balance, as well as the current assets that you are holding. So the cryptocurrencies that you are holding in your portfolio that you've bought on Coinbase or that you have had sent to Coinbase. And then under that, you'll have a watch list. So your watch list will be populated with whatever cryptocurrencies that you've clicked this star here as watch. So you can unclick this star. This is how you would put cryptocurrencies on your watch list. You would go hit explore assets, and then say you wanted to add Bitcoin to your watch list because you want to keep an eye on the price. You would click this star here, watch. Now let's go back to the assets tab, and right here under watch list you can see Bitcoin. So it's an easy way to keep an eye on the prices. So the next tab we'll go to is the trade tab. Okay, let's click on trade over here. And in the trading interface, if you click on trade, this trade button up here, it will give you the options to trade or do advanced trading. So in this tutorial, I'm not going to go over advanced trading. I'll just be going over regular trading. I go over advanced trading in the how to use Coinbase Pro video. So if you want to get more information on advanced trading, you can go watch that video after this one. So you will also get the buy sell buttons and the send and receive buttons, same as in the assets tab. These buttons will actually be on all of these tabs. And also you would get the same exact interface right here. So buy, sell, convert, same exact thing. These are just multiple ways for you to buy, sell, and convert cryptocurrencies. So under categories, you have top movers, currency, smart contracts, DeFi. These are all different categories of cryptocurrencies. So you have the current top movers, cryptocurrencies that are used as currencies, cryptocurrencies that have the ability to have smart contracts built on top of them, and cryptocurrencies that are in the decentralized finance space. So if you want to find a specific cryptocurrency, you can search for it in the search bar here and type it in, and then here you have the option to see changes over the last hour. You'll be able to see the changes here, last hour, last day, last week, and so on. So we'll go back to the hour, and now here you have a tab that you can click on, and it gives you options of tradable assets, watch lists, or whatever cryptocurrencies you have on your watch list, all the assets, top gainers, top losers. You can go through this and take a look at these, but currently it's on tradable assets. So these are all the assets that are currently tradable on Coinbase. So you can scroll through that if you would like. And under the buy, sell, convert tab, you have the reoccurring buys. You can add new reoccurring buys. Under new on Coinbase, you have all of the cryptocurrencies that are new on Coinbase. So you can see this is added 12 days ago, added 8 days ago, added 12 days ago, and so on. So let's take a look at the pay tab here. All right, let's click on the pay tab, and the pay tab gives you the send and receive options, same as this button up here, just an extra another way to do the same exact thing. And it also gives you the send again option, so you can see your recent sends where you recently sent cryptocurrency to. All right, so let's go to For You. Okay, let's click on For You. And For You, you have different articles and guides that you can look into to help you learn about cryptocurrencies. So you have the everything button that just gives you everything all together, or you can go to the education section where you can learn about crypto. You can go to the news section where it's recent news that you can read about crypto, and then you have a Get More Crypto button where you would learn about cryptocurrency and then take these little tests. We'll go over that a bit more later. So you have this earn section, so you can click on and you can get free crypto in minutes while learning how it works. Then you have the learn section where you can learn by using useful guides and tutorials about crypto investing. So you could click view all for that as well. Okay, right, so let's move on to the learn and earn section. So we'll click on learn and earn over here. So in the learn and earn section, you can set up reoccurring buys. So you can click this button and set up a reoccurring buy. But the greatest thing about the learn and earn section is that you can learn about specific cryptocurrencies. So you see here, Fetch AI, you can start a lesson, and once you complete the lesson, you would actually earn $3 in Fetch AI. Or Cryptex Finance. Every once in a while, Coinbase will update these and change which cryptocurrencies you can earn. So this is great for if you want to learn about a specific cryptocurrency and also earn money. So that's why it's called the learn and earn section. So let's move on to notifications. All right, so let's click on the notifications button over here. So in the notifications section, you will get notifications of price alerts of cryptocurrencies that are in your watch list that we talked about earlier. And that's pretty much what this entire notification section is used for. Obviously, you have the buy and sell, send and receive buttons as you do on all the other tabs. So that's what notifications covers. Okay, let's move on to the invite friends section. So we'll hit invite friends over here. So in this section, you can invite a friend to Coinbase and you'll both get $10 whenever that person buys or sells $100 or more on Coinbase. So you can send invites by entering their email address or copying your link and sending it to them. I'll add my link to this video if anybody's interested in joining Coinbase. That way you can use my link and we'll both get $10 whenever you buy or sell $100 or more on Coinbase. Okay, let's move on to the send a gift section. Alright, so when you hit this send a gift button, the send a gift interface pops up and you can choose what kind of cryptocurrency gift you want to send. So you can scroll down and go through these. The ones at the top will be the cryptocurrencies that you are currently holding in your portfolio. And then you can type in their email address. to who you're sending the gift to. And then you can personalize it by adding a note and a card. And you can do that by clicking on it and then typing in your note and then clicking on add a card, and you have these options to choose from to send a card. Then after you're done with that, you would hit continue and move on to the next step to complete the sending of your gift. So that covers it for the how to use Coinbase tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out thinkcrypto.info, where you can get more information on the cryptocurrency space as well as cryptocurrency blogs and e-guides.